Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush the Discover Boss. So we're basically leaving the Richby Texaco right here on Constant Spring Road in Kingston. What we're gonna do is to check out a new development. The building was constructed very quickly, to be honest. Didn't take much time. Went up in record time. So that's what we're gonna take a look at. I'm seeing that they want to lease it to a BPO, which is the same as a call center. It's basically right here in front of the NCB and the Scotia on Constant Spring Road, and this is the building. So it seems as if Kemtek is the developer. And of course, if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Remember to like, remember to comment, and definitely share the video as well, so that persons that are new to the channel can see what's going on. There is a call center down the road here as well. HGS, they have a location on this road. Alright, so what we're gonna eventually do now is to try and get a park, and then I try to show you guys a few glimpses of the building. So definitely stay tuned for that. So again guys, thank you for clicking on this video just to, you know, watch another development happening in Kingston, happening in Jamaica. First I'm recording this property, so first I'm getting a chance to come up here. So this is video number 1 for this development. So we're gonna try and park and get some glimpses. So it has underground parking, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 floors with a rooftop area. Alright, so we're gonna try and get across. We're gonna cross over and take a look at the billboard. guys, so there you got a quick glimpse of this development by Kemtek. That's a construction company, Kemtek Developers. So the billboard says 4 floors, but upon counting it seems more like 6 to 7 floors, but I guess probably the ceilings are very high. But you know, one of the fastest growing industry both for employment and for new construction is really BPOs, again, which is the same as a call center. You know, that's the major construction and employment industry right now. So we're just going up the road to end off the video. I'll also probably just end the video over this relatively new plaza. It's Super Value Town Center. It was under construction for many years. They paused like forever, and about 2 years now they finally finished it all. So it's Super Value Town Center. Just gonna take a quick drive over there while I highlight some of the shops that are over there. It's right in front of the Kingston Spring Revenue Center on the left. And also beside Immaculate Conception High. So that's what we're going to take a quick look on while we end off the video. And again guys, thanks for watching, thanks for clicking on the video, thanks in advance for liking, for commenting, for sharing. And if you have not yet subscribed, remember to subscribe. We try to highlight all the development happening in Jamaica, whether it's residential or commercial, whether it's a new road, a new park, whatever it is. Once it's a new development for Jamaica, that's what we try to highlight. I know I mainly record stuff in Kingston because that's where I reside, but from time to time we do head outside of Kingston. Alright, so you have a Flow store, a new store coming right here at the end. Not sure what it is. ICW Insurance, Pinkling Cellular, sorry, the bakery at Springs. You have Fresh Foods, that's a supermarket. You have Broadbent Eyeglass, Life Store, that's a water store. Ancork Restaurant, Devano's Ice Cream Cafe Blue, Wendy's, Domino, Golden Fountain Restaurant, Masala Wok, Indian Cuisine, Innovative Superstore, Dental Studio. So yeah, they've started their Christmas decor because Christmas is around the corner. You have Crocs, a Croc store, Jamaica Sotheby, that's a realtor, Glow Spa, Kitchen Paradise, Laundromat. So you know, quite a huge range of shops and stores, and apart from one empty shop, seems as if all the shops are full. The parking lot is full as well, so you know, it means persons are coming here. So if you don't want to go up to Manor Park or Manor Center, which is up more, you know, you can come here to do business. So this is the Super Value Town Center. They have lots of parking though, because even down here you have parking. And this is a big parking, and an entire plaza block could have come down here. I think what we need to do a lot more is put parking underground, so we get more space for construction. I think a few plazas done that, so they have underground parking along with regular parking. Give them more space to work with. What do you guys think about that though? Tell me what you think about that option. So this is where we end the video, guys. So thanks for your support. Thanks for watching. Thanks for clicking. And thanks for all you do.